Alright. Guys, ito yung mga gamit kong ginagamit sa paggawa ng sasakyan, guys. Ito yung mga combination. Combination, guys. Ayan. Ito yung mga socket bridge. Alright, socket bridge. Ito yung door brakes. Ito yung spoon socket. Hey, ito palitan. Alright, guys. Tsaka ito yung power tools natin, guys. Ito yung oil filter rates. Ito yung jack natin, guys. Nice. What's that stuff? Guys, ang PMS, guys. Utak lang kami. Ito yung mga work-related namin sa mga service offer. For you sa UI Plus Car Accessories. Ito sin. Ito yung service offer by unit maintenance. Brake change UI, brake cleaning, plus time auto belt, joint out with journey. Rather peeling, ito chassis, picture, auto oil, tsaka engine. Automatic na switch. Alright. I would like to inform you, bihani ko dito ay si Jim Palawan. Graduate po sa PISDA sa Usabis Occidental. Meron po kaming NC2. Gasoline diesel po ang ginagawa namin, guys. For gasoline diesel, lahat ng sasakyan kaya natin ipatinuin. Alright, guys. Meron din kaming scanner na ginagamit. Ito yung pwesto namin, guys. Malaki po pwesto namin doon pa sa kabila yun. Meron pa sa isang pwesto na. Alright, guys. PMS na lang po, guys, para ma-inform ko kayo kung kailan kayo magpa-schedule. Pupunta ko po kayo, guys, kung kailan kayo magpa-schedule.